What if I told you that glass can be made up to 5 times stronger than it already is? Toughened glass is up to 5 times stronger than normal glass of the same thickness. First, the glass is heated to a plastic state. Then, it's rapidly cooled by air nozzles. This process creates stress on the surface, which increases its mechanical and thermal strength. Impala Glass Industries Limited have been the pioneers of toughened glass manufacturing in East and Central Africa. With a modern toughening plant, you can be assured of a stringent production process that manufactures toughened glass of the utmost quality that meets and exceeds industry regulations and safety standards.